What is up guys? So today, as usual, I'm going to be showing you the gameplay of the game. So guys, this is the new One Piece game for Android and iOS phones. It's one of the best graphical games released on the phone and iOS that in a long time. It's very HD, and the game is about the anime One Piece. It's about Luffy and how he strives to become the Pirate King. I'm not trying to spoil guys, but there are some spoilers here if you guys just started One Piece. But yeah, so guys, this is the gameplay. As you can see, it's stunning. It reminds me of something on the PSP, the Naruto Impact. If you guys played on the PSP, make sure to subscribe and like the video and comment down below which is your favorite PSP game, guys. So yeah guys, this is the gameplay. As you can see, the graphics are very nice. Everything is very smooth, and guys, I am running this on a 3-year-old phone. 3-year-old phone, and look how smooth it is. There is no glitches, everything is very nice. So yeah guys, so that's it for the gameplay. You guys can see it, play the game more. I don't want to spoil anything for you guys, so let's get into the tutorial. What is up guys, I'm back with another video. So first guys, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So guys, there's been a lot of hype around this game, One Piece Fighting Path, and today guys, I'm gonna teach you how to install it. So guys, go to the first link in the description and it'll take you to this website and click the download. Whether you're on iOS or Android, it'll give you an option, download the file. If you're on Android, it'll give you an APK file. You download the APK file, tap. So tap is a platform which allows you to play this very demanding game on your phone, because since Google Play Store is location locked, this game won't be available for everyone since it's a Japanese game. So if you're in America, you can't play it, but with tap you can play it everywhere. So guys, just download it and wait for it to install. There is not a virus guys, it's 100% secure. So guys, after it's been installed, open the app up. I really like the app name, tap. It's a very nice name. So yes guys, you don't have to create a login or anything. You just need to download the app. So just download the app. You need a permission, just grant these permissions, just giving access to your storage files so the app can be installed on your phone. So yeah guys, the installing process does take a long time since it's such a big file. I don't know if you guys have seen gameplay on this, but if you guys want to see gameplay, hit that like button and I'll release the gameplay very soon if you guys are looking towards that. On second thought, I'll just show you guys the gameplay at the end of the video. So yeah guys, I just want to show you guys that I'm not skipping through anything, because there has been a lot of scandals to this game. Like, people show that they're installing it but doesn't actually install, and they cut it and then they change it. And also guys, for my Apple users out there, and yes, this is also available on the iOS store, but I'm not sure if that's location locked. If it isn't, perfect, but if it is, I'm sorry, you might have to jailbreak it if you really want this game. But I don't recommend jailbreaking your Apple phone. Just wait until it releases to your location. Might take some time, but it will eventually release. This is where Android is just better than Apple, since you can just download any file you want from any location. There's no issues. Excuse me guys. Yep. So yeah guys, as we're waiting, I know you guys are waiting for the One UI 3.1 S20 ROM to come out, and yes, currently I am using this on my A7 2018. As you can see, it's been on 6% for very long. The battery life is amazing. So guys, please get that video to 20 likes. I will release a video on 20 likes, please guys. Thank you very much. So yes guys, after this message pops out, it's okay, give it permission to install from the source. And yeah, now it's going to load the app up for you, like how you would normally open an APK outsource. Just yeah. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video guys. We're so close to that 450 mark. I want to hit it before May 5th. So guys, let's do that together. Keep subscribing and I will keep releasing good content for you guys. Thank you guys so much. Also guys, it has been installed. Oh no, it hasn't been installed yet. You still have to click the install button. Sorry guys. just install, and it's just going to load through it, and now the game is actually being installed. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see other games on how to install them, please comment down below guys. I'm always looking down in my comments for video suggestions. I will always try, but guys, if it doesn't work, I apologize, and I can make a video on that because I'm not the type of YouTuber who release fake videos just for views. I like to make sure that everything is secure, everything works, then I'll upload the video to make sure you guys have no issue with your phones. So yes guys, it's installing. If you guys are interested in me installing one Fortnite on the A7 2018, make sure to comment down below if you guys would be interested in a video like that. And yeah, I know guys, it takes forever to down install, but it's fun. We're having a conversation together. Technically, I'm having a conversation with myself, but it's fun, you know. I love making videos for you guys, and I really want to grow this channel to something big. As we're waiting for this, guys, let me just do some motivational stuff. So, guys, I know right now my YouTube channel doesn't have a lot of stuff. I'm not actually earning nothing from it, but I never want to give up. I will keep on trying until it becomes something. So, yeah, guys, enough for motivational stuff. So, yeah, guys, so One Piece has been installed. Just waiting for it to load, for me to click the open button. When do I click the open button? Sorry guys, I really do apologize for it. Okay guys, I finally clicked the open button. Thank the God for that. And so yes guys, the One Piece game has been installed on your Android phone. Also guys, this is available iOS. It has no issues. Guys, I'm sorry about the resolution. I don't know, when it my screen recording software it does this. When I play such a graphical game, it shrinks the size. But no worries, on your phone it will be full screen. There's no issues with that. You guys don't have to worry. And it's been installed. One Piece. So yes guys, hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Just make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'm actually going to move this gameplay to my front of my video, so when you guys watch the video, you guys are going to be thinking like, oh, this guy messed up the video recordings. No, I didn't. I'm just going to switch it up for you guys so you can see the gameplay before the tutorial. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to have a wonderful day. I already said subscribe, yes. Goodbye. See you guys.